Ever wonder why plants are green? It's all thanks to chlorophyll. Today, let's explore the role of chlorophyll in plants and why it's so important. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in the chloroplasts of plant cells. Its main job, capturing light energy from the sun. But what makes this so crucial is its role in photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their own food. When sunlight hits the leaves of a plant, chlorophyll absorbs the light, specifically the blue and red wavelengths. It doesn't absorb much green light, which is why plants appear green to us. Once chlorophyll absorbs this energy, it powers the next steps of photosynthesis. In the first stage, chlorophyll uses the sun's energy to split water molecules into oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen is released into the air, while the hydrogen is used in the next phase of photosynthesis. In the second stage, the plant uses that stored energy to convert carbon dioxide from the air into glucose, which is food for the plant. In short, without chlorophyll, plants wouldn't be able to create the energy they need to grow, and life on Earth would look very different. Got more questions about plant life or other scientific wonders? Drop a comment and I'll explain it all.